Car alarm, man.
Don't you have to turn the car on?
Yeah. God damn it. No. I freaking hate this car. Okay. Mr. Montero. Really? Think they're hot shit?
Piece of shit.
What? Oh, fuck! God damn it. I hate this fucking car. If I bring my... Oh, shit. Oh, that'll get everybody's attention. Fuck. Alright. Fuck. Aw, what did you do, babe? What? And there you go! Ah! Did somebody forget? Dude, that's thinking ahead. That's breakfast tomorrow morning. Yo, take both. Are you kidding me? Poor neighbors right now. I mean, they already think we're fucking crazy. Now we're stealing our own cars. Ow. Dude, you've been with me for almost 2 years now. There's no fucking sound system! You just painted pink! God! Fucking shut the fuck up! Stop following me! No!
Alright.
It looks like shit!
What are you talking about? Why would you want a divorce? He's the one that drives it.
What do you mean he drives it? You don't do it all the time! All the time! That's all you do is destroy stuff!
Oh, I do? What the fuck did you do? He hates it. He lies to everybody.
Now what the fuck?
Come on! He doesn't lie to anybody!
Yes, he does.
He's destroying this stuff, I don't know why
He
he's
strapped the brother down over his brother's head.
No, you
He
haven't.
locked him in the dog pen.
That was all
That's something I
self-defense!
didn't know about.
You hurt him every single time!
He didn't get hurt about
He's
nothing.
our son! You always hurt him!
He deserves what he gets.
Because you don't approve of what he does!
It has nothing to do with it. He put a bottle over his brother's head. And you can never
It has
do
nothing
it.
to do with it! You've been doing this for years!
Oh god, oh fuck. Oh shit.
No, alright.
Oh god damn it.
You want to grab the lead?
Yeah. You got it.
Alright.
The alarm's gonna go off. How does my dad think that that's okay? How long do you think it's going to take to go out with that rain? What's it look like?
Yeah, it's still there.
And, oh, fuck. Okay. All right, guys. I'll just see you there. Okay. I suck. I suck. This is why I could never land dates. PS4 made it out. I don't know where my fucking car keys are. Dude, your mom's a fucking bitch.
What happened?
You don't want to know. Yeah, I'm good. You're still fucking standing there.
What do we want?
Don't say a word. Fuck. Holy shit. Corey, get the fuck in here. Get in. Oh shit. Shit. Shit.
But
You shouldn't have been destroying
You
him.
didn't help him.
You helped him.
You're not getting it back.
What the fuck are you doing with it, Dad? The fuck are you doing with it? Yeah, you don't even know how to fucking work.
What is that bullshit?
Calm down, calm down. Calm down.
Love you, Juggies to death, and don't forget to keep it rigid. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey!
Hey, what's up?
What are you doing here?
Hey. Oh, I'm just here.
Look.
Just here because I'm your girlfriend.
Okay,
What the hell is going on with you?
I'm going, what the hell's going on with me? What are you doing?
You just left for like almost 3 weeks.
What the fuck are you
just go
doing
to
here?
LA.
Hold on, you should not be here
What do
right
you
now.
mean I shouldn't be here right now?
Dude.
I'm your girlfriend.
Dude, you're fucking really embarrassing me and yourself right now.
Can you shut that off?
I'm about to be heading out
Who
tonight.
are you? I have to watch these videos of you going out and getting drunk and talking about getting with girls.
Funny thing is, I'm heading out right now, so you're kind of killing the vibe right now, dude. I'm about to be having fun. And what?
Who are you?
Why are you?
Who are you? What are you talking
Did
about?
you honestly
You
just?
blacked out in a bathroom in fucking
That's
LA.
beside the
Like,
point,
I
and
don't
that's
understand.
and that's a good time. You can't.
Who are you?
You drove. She used to drive this shit. I already got it. Oh fuck. Oh, where did I put those keys at? Dude. Oh, no, oh my. Crap. Oh god. Get in here, dude.
I'm done.
Oh my. I was not for sale. I was trying to do this for the Psycho series when it was fresh so I can make money. It's like 2 years after. Nobody's gonna buy this. If anything,
Somebody still buy it though.
You wanna buy it off me?
I won't buy no Japan.
Oh my god, I don't wanna argue right now. Stop! I just did. I'm gonna get. We'll start art.
Oh.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Go back into the gaming room. Run. That is the sound. That is the siren.
Don, we gotta be quiet. Why are you so loud? Why are you so loud? Don, get in here and be quiet.
All right, be quiet in there, you two. Dude. Shut up.